My name's Matt Buckler and I'm the Conservation Works Manager at Moors for the Future, and I run the Conservation Works team who undertake our restoration work. The biggest problem is wildfires in summer, and if you have wildfires in summer, fires normally will just burn through the vegetation. And this is a particular problem in the Peak District because of the fact that the sphagnum moss is gone, and the sphagnum moss keeps the surface of the peat wet. And where that's gone, the surface of the peat will burn. And so in summer, where the peat is drying out, the vegetation will burn, and it will burn down into the peat, and you can lose a reasonable amount of peat a year. And everything which is holding the vegetation, keeping the vegetation going, will get burnt off. And that means that you get very, very unstable areas of bare peat. What we're trying to do is to stabilise that bare peat to stop it from eroding. Peat bogs are sphagnum moss. One of the things that we've been doing in the past was using micropropagation to get other plant species back, and we said, well, can we do that with sphagnum moss? We've developed this technique whereby you have 4 or 5 individual moss plants which have been grown within a sort of jelly which protects them and should enable them to grow, which we put on either by helicopter or by hand. So in lots of places we're doing it by hand because it means that people can put the sphagnum down in exactly the right places. Such spectacular wild places, really, really close to where everybody lives. You know, you can be still on top of Bleaklow or Kinder and see Manchester and see Sheffield and feel like you're standing in the Arctic. The wind is wild and you hear curlews calling and golden plovers, and it is a different world.